How to get back your money from people. I'm sure you will agree that it is always easier to loan money to other people than to collect the money from people who owe you. Would you agree with that? First of all, I really want to appreciate you for taking time to watch this video. The purpose of this is to share a couple of ideas on how to deal with people who owe you money. Now, most of you, watching this video or listening to this audio, have attended the webinar Strategy and Practices to Effectively Collect Outstanding Dues. Or maybe you registered but could not participate. Some of you may not be even aware of the webinar, but that is perfectly all right as long as you find it difficult to collect money from your friends, your relatives, your customers, etc. Listen to this or watch this video. My name is Yatiraj Agarwal and I am known as India's first sales and profit engineer. My mission in life is to make businesses profitable. If you have a business and you want it to be profitable, of course there are lots of things which has to happen. Number one is you have to make sales, but even more important, you have to collect the payment. Because if you don't get the payments, obviously your business is not going to be profitable even if you have sold, right? Okay, and the most ideal way is to sell on cash, okay, or sell by collecting advance, but that is not always possible. So let me share with you what you can do if you have given some credit to your people, or if you are a finance company and you have given loans to people, or if you are a hire purchase company and you have loaned to people on their vehicles. So here are a few things I want to share with you. Okay, number one, what is your intention? What is your thought process? See, normally when people owe us money and if they don't pay back on time, we normally have negative thoughts. We normally have negative feelings. Would you agree? Now, this is perfectly normal, but I want you to realize that it creates a lose-lose situation. Okay, you may or may not realize, but remember, our thoughts, our feelings, our subconscious mind affects their thoughts, their feelings, and their subconscious mind. So what happens when you are thinking negative? You are conveying negative vibrations, and when you are conveying negative vibrations, obviously they become negative and they probably delay your payment and it becomes a cycle. So make sure that you control your negative thoughts and make them positive. Number two, visualization. Okay, now very few people use this powerful strategy to visualize that you have got the payment. Okay, you are only thinking that will I not get. Instead of that, before you make them a call, before you start thinking, close your eyes and start visualizing that the call has gone on very well and they have said, yes, I'm sending you the payment, and then you can see the money coming into your account. Now, many people ask me, but Mr. Yatiraj, all this is fine, but will it work? I said, I don't know whether it will work for you or not, but I do know it works for thousands and thousands and thousands of people. Okay, it will work for you depending on your faith, depending on your belief. But one thing is a guarantee, it cannot hurt you, it cannot harm you. So why not try? And the last suggestion I want to give you for this recording is what I call affirmations. Okay, and these affirmations are, first of all, you have to affirm that you deserve to get paid. Okay, you have to affirm that yeah, it is my money and it's coming back. You have to affirm that it's a hard-earned money and it cannot go waste. Number two, you have to also affirm that because they have benefited from the money you have given, they are going to pay you. So you have to create your own affirmations. So I have got a lot to share, and those of you who have attended the webinar, we have a session coming up on 10th, 11th and 12th. On 10th, Sendil will be sharing a lot of ideas. On 11th, Mahinder will talk about using the technology, and he's going to give you a few free softwares. And on 12th, I will be sharing with you what is called the soft skills. what is called the influence you can have on people, and make sure that you get back the money with love, with affection. So if you are interested, get back in touch with Rekha ji, and she will share with you on how you can be a part of this 3-day program. And we will also have a question answer session at the end. If you want to have any questions about me, you can always connect with me. My team's WhatsApp number is +918825638345. I repeat, 88256 and connect with us, and looking forward to making a huge difference. I promise you that this 3 days can help you multiply the multiply the recovery of outstandings which you have, and make your business profitable. Looking forward to serving you. Have a great day.